Yes, sir. We back with another stream. Let's see how long we go on this one, but yeah, we're gonna pull up FX replay and just get straight to it. As always, I'm gonna have my journal up as well. I got a journal as well. I have a Discord right now that I'm using for Discord. Oh, I'm using to journal, and then I've been backtesting something about new week opening gaps and new day opening gaps, and I've thought that it's been like pretty insane. I have a little like short term video coming out on it, but I'm also going to backtest that on here as well. So I'm gonna backtest that as well, and you'll see what I'm talking about, and you can see what I'm talking about as well if you watch my other video. But basically, yeah, we're gonna get straight. It's July 4th. It's July 4th. Morning, bro. On our, you running right now while you're watching me? What's good, bro? How you doing? What is good? All right, but yeah, basically we're just gonna start, and yeah, I'm honestly, I feel like this is gonna be a long stream. I'm down to have a long stream. Where were we last time? I think we were on this one. 22nd. Yeah, good morning, brother. Wasn't expecting anyone to be in here. Yeah. Thursday, October 22nd. Okay, let me pull up. I'm gonna pull up TradingView as well. I'm gonna pull up a TradingView chart too, because I've been backtesting something recently as well. What year? I'm in 2022 October. So would that be? That would be December contract. So let me pull up NQZ. Oh, perfect. 2022. Oh, this is lucky gonna ruin price action. Let me scrunch it up. Where we at? I think it was October 14th. If I was not mistaken. October 13th. All right. So basically, what I've been backtesting is this indicator, new week opening gap, just pretty much just shows every new week opening gap, and I found that pretty much, uh, like this will probably be in a new day opening gap. This will probably be in a new day opening gap. Oh, that was the wrong indicator. I was like, what? I see. Like, look at the delivery on news. Look, like right to new day opening gap. And I found that with lots of news events, it happens. Okay, the reason why I'm on the 7 minute chart is because to use this, to be able to see like all the new day opening gaps and new week opening gaps, it works best to be on the 7 minute chart. So it's just so I can see the new day opening gaps. And as you can see, like, it gets delivered to the tick. Alright, so now we know that. We have a new day opening gap right here as well. We also have taken buy side liquidity here. Then we reprice lower. We end up just creating a big wick on the daily. We don't really have anything that we're referring to here except for these lows here. So we sweep these lows here on the daily chart. Which also is, I'm not gonna say it's like an order block because that's too far away for really IPTA. And even here, I feel like These lows might be a reach. All right, so we obviously have fair value gap in, fair value gap out. We have a change to delivery here on the 15-minute. 9:45 creates expansion. We come back, we pretty much just inverse this move here. And then we end the day. That's that daily fair value gap. That's that daily fair value gap. Yeah, we end up drawing into that daily fair value gap. Let's look on TradingView real quick. Okay, so there's a new day. There's a new day opening gap right here. We put a 7-minute candle. Here, I'm gonna pull up a 7-minute chart here. I know it's weird. I know it's weird. And also like I'm just backtesting it, and I guess we'll see. But I found that it's been like a little bit crazy. So right here is a new day opening gap. So we know that when we drop down to our lower time frame charts, and then right here we're just ending the day within a new day opening gap. Okay, so basically we go 15-minute chart. What are some projections we can project? Oh, look at that. Negative 1.5. It gets respected nicely. What day is this? The 10th, 2022. No, it's the 13th. A nice standard deviation right there. And let me pull up this as well. Show new day opening gap is the high of the day. I really want to see. I really want to backtest this a lot because I don't know. I feel like it's been a. I mean, obviously it's like we're in a new day opening gap. Doesn't mean we're gonna just bounce, but you can see the respect at these certain levels. You know, it's not like I'm trying to just backtest some random BS. You know. All right, and then where we put that wick, there's a new day opening gap. All right, and here we have a what is that? CPI. Let's pull up Forex Factory 2 to get this stream started. Where am I going? 2022. Okay, CPI in the morning. This was CPI. Notice we left this here. This volume imbalance here. Look at where price reaccumulates. Perfectly. I don't know. That's just something I've been noticing. I feel like it's definitely because the volume imbalance is the weakest and strongest PDA. Where's 930? Oh, 930 is all the way down here. So at 930, we've already liquidated sell stops. We're in a very deep premium. We're very below midnight open. We've had CPI that's just propelled us lower. So let's look at ES. No SMT at the lows. Let's look at YM. So there's not a single SMT at the lows. It's not there. No SMT at the lows. But what do? We end up establishing bullish order flow, and then we end up getting displacement here. So we have a 950 macro. We know that we've already taken sell side, and we possibly have a buy side imbalance that we might want to fill. 950 macro. We get expansion. Let me come back down to this order block right here. These last time close candles. And then price gets supported. And just fast expansion between the 10-50 macro. And then reaccumulation within a new day opening gap, and then we're gonna reaccumulate within that volume imbalance there. Standard deviation gets met there. Short-term retracement, and then displacement. All right. I'm not gonna do much extra for this one for this day. Nah. CPI. Distributes price lower. Wait, that's not high day. CPI. Why am I pulling up YouTube? Alright. What do we have the next day? Consumer sentiment, retail sales, just some light. Yo, hold up. Popping a brewski. Alright, let's see what we want to do the next day. Obviously, we have fair value gap in, fair value gap out. Big wick on the daily. I expect this likely be a smart money reversal up to these highs here. At least. Let's see, though. Not at least, but that's what I'm expecting. Oh, I'm already at 11 a.m. Shoot. So 8:45, we end up liquidating highs and buy stops. Are we rebalancing? No, we don't quite get to rebalance there. ES though, look what ES is doing. ES is straight up is drawing into this. I like that. I'm gonna swing grade this. So we've had hourly sys now. Is this just a return to the breaker, or do we want to seek new lows? My music stopped. Notice how we have fair value gap in, fair value gap out signature here. And we end up just melting towards sell side. All right, let's watch this. Let's watch where we put some points in here, where we put some highs and lows in. So right now we have a low established right within that new day opening gap. I don't know, man. I don't know, man. Is it convenient? Is it convenient? Is it? So we're in that new day opening gap here. I do want to look at ES. ESZ 2022, right? Yeah. All right, let me scrunch it up. It also is a Friday. I know. I wish I could go in. Wish we could just backtest on TradingView. I think it would be a lot bit easier. All right, so that's where we're. It's also a Friday. What is the weekly done? This can help you anticipate which fair value gaps are gonna get filled all the way. Yeah, but it's. I can't go down into the lower time frames. You know, I can't go down into the 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute. Look at the bodies held by that fair value gap. Yo, what just happened? Why did my indicator just delete? Now we come back down, offering fair value at this. Look at that fair value gap with that new day opening gap. Pair that with fair value gap in, fair value gap out signature. Oh my gosh, that's like 160 points there. Like, that's not no Chicken Little points. What are all these levels on the? It's something I've been backtesting. Literally, I was backtesting this all yesterday, and like it just cannot be denied the fact that like the only thing I don't like is that the fact that like I have so many levels, but I pretty much just go into settings here, and then I have just the previous 100 and then the previous 100 new day opening gaps. Which I think that I think that I want to be able to find like a filter for it, you know, like not using too much. Because I feel like if you got too many new day opening gaps on your chart, like, that ain't gonna help anything. Um, I think well, I think it's because the algorithm needs. I don't know, because like those are areas where liquidity hasn't been offered, so it's gonna be sensitive around those areas. I don't know. All right, so here we have we're kind of just within no man's land. This isn't gonna be the high of the day. This isn't gonna be this isn't gonna be the high day. This isn't gonna be the low day. I don't think. So we could have possible seek and destroy profile here. Okay, we're drawing higher. It is BPR here. Maybe order block. Kind of just like mid price action here. We have to have something. What was this, Monday? There's got to be something this week, maybe with the economic calendar. No, just Monday. Just Monday. Yo, what's good? What's good, Emmanuel? Constant encroachment. I bet we have SMT there. No. YM? No. Oh, we don't have SMT there. I don't know, I feel like this is just a okay day. There could be a little scalp here, but this probably would have been a day I would have got a loss, or I would maybe got chopped up here. There's just like nothing really here. There's nothing really here. C gets respected. I have a flu, but hey, hopefully you feel better. Hopefully you feel better. That's not good to hear. Go big or go home. Yes, sir. Hopefully you feel better, bro. Dude, I don't think I've ever had the flu. Honestly, I've never. I don't think I ever like really got like tested for the flu. All right, 950 macro to 1010. We end up coming up taking short term buy side, and then we end up creating a fair value gap in, fair value gap out signature, and then we end up displacing lower to console encroachment. So this could be possible. This has to be a scalper on a day like this. Look at console encroachment, and then we end up taking sell side here. Same thing. For value gap in, for value gap out, we end up just repricing the buy side there. Like even that's like 50 points. Ten macro or 1050 macro. We engage this imbalance, and then we end up taking those lows and just displacing. $9.53 candle. Huh. Yeah, coming up to buy side here. What's that line I have? Is that daily for value gap? I feel like it is. Or I think it's just previous buy side. No, it's got to be the daily for value gap. Yeah, so then we come back up to that daily for value gap low there. We have 1.25. I never really used that level though. I feel like that's kind of cherry picked. Probably another 1.25. All right, now let's look at this. I'm curious. So we have true day opening. Like, I don't know, man. I don't know, man. We end up coming up. They open got. Let's look at yes. Let's look at NQ. Uh, I hate. I wish I could just like skip to that day. So we have two new week opening gaps that we just end up referring back to here. But look at where the expansion starts from at 8. At 8. Is this Enigma? Bro, this is crazy. I'm playing. I'm playing. Okay. Overall, what have we done? We come back down. We've repriced to. Oh no, we just had very lackluster price action there. We went to fulfill this imbalance here. Nope. So we still left some of that imbalance open. Do you have any news? I feel like we didn't. No, we just have Thursday red folder news today. That's it. So we have this imbalance here. A little IRL to ERL right there. Optimal trade entry. Alright, 15-minute change in state delivery. These lows are likely more favorable here. Immediate rebalance. See if we propel price lower here. Where's the low resistance liquidity? A market open. Should sell off here. Beautiful two-script. It's a very nice Judah swing. Very nice. Well, I wouldn't even say Judah. Yeah, I would say Judah swing. This is what I like to see in the market. Do we have a higher time PDRA too? Probably a new day opening gap. Let's be honest. But we have a breaker fair value gap. So there's certain logic, but we probably have a new day opening gap at the high. Like, we'll see though. 15-minute change in state delivery here with low resistance liquidity. Then notice here, we've left a portion of this imbalance to still fill in. So there's logic to why the market should reprice lower. Then we have high resistance liquidity signatures here. Taking buy side there, then minor buy side there. Nice little 95 points. 99. Is there anything on the left side of the curve we could use? Oh. Yeah. Yep. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. If there's a new day opening gap right there, that is it. That is it. That is it. That is high probability. High probability. And yeah, we're repricing the sell side here. Very beautiful. We have a 5-minute imbalance here. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It was wonderful. Imbalance. Unmitigated. With a low that hovers right above it at market open. At market open, we leave a bunch of low resistance liquidity. We end up creating high resistance signatures while doing so, and where is the market likely more favorable to reprice to? Wonderful price action to get to study. Do we have SMT at the highs? If we have SMT at the highs, this is beautiful. It doesn't look like it. We kind of do with YM. I'm not gonna count it. Here it is. That imbalance right there. That's your silver bullets. It's a balanced price range. Notice how like we've delivered so much buy side and sell side within this. I was like, what is that doing? We delivered so much buy side and sell side throughout this range. So this is like perfectly balanced. Buy side. Price has no reason to reprice here. It's a beautiful entry right there. In the 950 macro. Alright. I don't really care about the rest of the day. That's all I need. That's all I need. All I need is that 950 macro. But yeah. I feel like days like this to where we have like a good 950 macro entry, just to sell side here, I feel like we end up just continuing for the rest of the day. $10.50 macro offers continuation. Where do we reprice right to? Right to this imbalance. Very nice. Within 10.50 macro. Because we can use the six sister approach because ES, neither ES or YM has liquidated those lows. It's not like we're just gonna stop on a dime and just completely reverse. No. That's not what's gonna happen. Sick sister approach. ES and YM have yet to reach their draws. It would make no sense for the market to just blindly reverse here. Reverse without filling. That 10.50. Wonderful to see. Okay, I wanna pull this up here. Let's just see. What's good, Tino? When are you going on a live account? I don't know. I'll probably see probably a year. Probably I don't know. I really don't know. I'm giving it time, and whenever I'm ready for it, whenever it's right, it'll be time. And I'm not here to rush it. I like to watch your streams because I'm a beginner too, and we're in the same ambition. I have with the same ambitions as you. I hope you're one day we're gonna make it, bro. Hey, you too, bro. I appreciate the love, bro. I really do. I appreciate you. Thank you. It means a lot. It means a lot. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Where do we end up at 150? Where's 1050 right here? Not within a met. So I would say this is definitely a good draw on liquidity because we have liquidity nestled right within that new day opening gap. That's just a nice little short-term draw on liquidity there. Oh, look at ES. Look at ES. Oh, ES is just absolutely gorgeous. Oh. Access support, and then we come back down. Like the true support and resistance, you know? $10.50 would have been a great short on yes. Within that new day opening gap. Okay, I feel like in order for this to like really be useful, the new day opening gaps, they have to be paired with a fresh PD rate, like a fresh fair value gap. If you're looking for entry, I think if you're looking for higher low of the day and pairing it with liquidity, then I feel like if you're pairing it with liquidity, then I don't know what I'm trying to say. If you pair it with buy stops, that's where you get high low day. Oh, like that. Whew. We had a 40 SMT at the lows, I believe. Yeah, SMT at the lows. And then we pull off those lows for the end of the day. I appreciate the sub, bro. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. So we have SMT here. Last down close candle. For value gap in. I don't know. I don't really look to trade the end of the day. It was a buy model there. After new week opening gap gets repriced you perfectly. And that's where we end up having a smart money reversal within that order block there. The buy side gets met. Very, 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 very beautiful price action. That was a Tuesday, okay. Tuesday. On a Tuesday, we had great PA. Okay, next. Next. Wednesday the 19th. We don't have anything. Okay, 9:30 is about to open. I'm definitely expecting these lows. After that, if this imbalance here, it's also a 4-hour balance price range. And we also have this order block. We also had this for value up here. Oh, look at constant encroachment of that. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Cost of encroachment, and then 75% as well. What does that look like on lower time frames? Doesn't look as clean, right? Eh? What am I saying? 25% with a fair value gap. That's a model right there. It's not a model, but it's an entry. Okay, we have a Judas swing right here. Repricing order block. I just drew a blank there. 15-minute order block. Do we have hourly order block? Oh yeah. Oh, that's so nice. That's so nice. We should see delivery now. I'm expecting. We have a fair value gap here. This should be sensitive. Okay, probably would have got stopped. This would have been a day to where you would have took a loss. You would have took a loss unless we have SMT at the low, so I could have discouraged your bias. Yeah, we do. So I still think that we are gonna see lower prices. I think we just want to reprice a little bit higher first. So we're gonna possibly have a PM session here. Smart money reversal in the making here. Let's see. Value gap gets respected. We're now displacing. We're now within this. And that fair value gap should hold. I guess not. I mean, yeah, I probably would have ended in a loss there. What are we're still respecting it though. Look at that respect to that level. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, so originally we have an hourly order block. Look how well this gets respected. Come up to the premium end of that. Fair value gap in, probably fair value gap out on the lower time frame. That's your smart money reversal. Do we have SMT at the highs? Does ES take that high? No, it doesn't. Okay, let's look on let's just watch. Let's see. Let's just see. Let us see. Let us see. Because we're just curious. We're just backtesting, you know. Market opens here. push higher. Recalculate off that new day opening gap. But we leave lows right below these new week opening gaps. And that's what we end up repricing to. Let's look at ES. Yeah, honestly, we never put on high day at new day opening gap, which you can't expect it every day, you know. Oh, we almost come into that there. Look at that right there, though. Look at that right there. Very nice sell model. Within this old fair value gap. Why do I have that marked? What is that? What is that? Oh, it's a bearish imbalance. Why? YM should have taken this high. YM does. SMT Diddy. We have bunch of levels that we can anticipate the market to reprice to. We have sell side there. We have the daily order block. We also have the remainder portion of this imbalance here, but we have those new week opening gaps below us. Look at that 25%. 25% of that order block. Oh, with new day opening gap, with new imbalance, with that old 15-minute fair value gap. That's it. That's it. That's it. I'm telling you, that's it. That is it. That is the market. Let's see. We have kind of like seek and destroy market open profile. We cannot respect it perfectly. This could be a short within itself. This is a trade within itself. So we form SMT here. Okay. Hourly order block. For value gap in, for value gap out. Maybe this is the model. That's still 70 points there. 70 within what? 1, 2, 3, 3 candles, 3 minutes, 70 points. That's pretty powerful, I think. Now you're waiting, okay? You're still bearish. You're still bearish, but you just want to see what price does now. We have an order block that we end up respecting after displacement within the 950 macro. Maybe you don't believe in this. You just want to wait. Alright, that gets respected. Now we have a mitigation. That gets respected perfectly. Into that high right here, and then we also have this level of liquidity here. Oh, hey, how many points is this? 60. All you need is 30. All you need is 4. All you need is 10. All you need is 5. You could have damn near like 7 points every day. Then we have a big imbalance here that we're looking for, but price refers to this volume, the new day opening gap instead. Then we have this fair value gap right there in the new day opening gap. Gets used once, twice, and then a third time in 1150 macro. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. $11.50, fair value gap in, fair value gap out. Oh. Institutional or fill entry drill. Because we have a fair value gap right here. Oh, that's a balanced price range. I haven't used soup in forever. And I honestly don't really want to use. I think I removed soup. Stop hunt there. That's the turtle soup. I stopped using soup. I stopped trying to use soup. I don't know. I think that trying to learn turtle soup as an entry technique is just not ideal for a beginner. But I'm not saying it can't be happening. I'm not saying that. Like obviously I'm staying in my own lane, but for me personally, it just wasn't ideal. All right, I feel like we've done enough here. PM session, you just end up getting repricing after these new week opening gaps and order block on the daily got hit. Okay. Nice price action. $8.30. We've liquidated buy stops here. We're just coming off this daily order block though, but we have failure swings here. Fair value gap in, fair value gap out. This looks like a bearish signature here. What type of news is this on 8:30? Philly Fed Manufacturing Index, really? Philly Fed Manufacturing is doing that much. All right, so for this stream, we're on October 20th. I want to get done with all of October, and then maybe to the mid of November for sure. We'll see. All right, I want to pull up this. Do we have a new day opening gap at 8:30? I gotta be careful though. I'm gonna mark out 8:30 before we even get there, so I know to pause there. It looks like we put the high right here. Yeah, that looks like where we put the high, because we taken that high there. Oh, right below it. So it's this high that we're monitoring on ES. Okay, look at where ES delivered though. Right there. And now, oh. My account's blown now. I just blew my account, man. Oh, it's beautiful. Now I'm not gonna be able to remove these. Whatever. It's cool. Oh, that's very nice. $9.30 takes liquidity within that new day opening gap. Look at where distribution occurs. Oh, that seems a little random to me. Okay, we have a 15-minute fair value gap there too. Oh, we have SMT at the lows too. Gorgeous. Here you have your change day delivery. Then you have your propulsion. Order block right there. And propulsion. $9.50 macro offers expansion. Within a 2-minute order block here. Retracement. Fair value gap. Oh, beauty. Let's see. There's probably like some standard deviations right there. -2. Just looking for that measure move. Beautiful. How many points? 90 points for that. 90 points. Okay, we're within that new day opening gap here. Let's compare these highs. Oh, yep. 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 SMT. Smart money timing. On that demon timing. Not demon time. Because where also are we? Probably within that new day opening gap, right? Consequent encroachment. Consequent encroachment of that puppy with the SMT. That's your soup. In a macro. New day opening gap. New day opening gap. With SMT, with ES and YM. Within a macro while failing to displace and in a premium of the current dealing range. They built in a premium. Like, I don't know. Like, we can all say that, like, I'm overcomplicating, I'm overdoing it, but I don't know. You guys, if you're watching this, you tell me, bro. You tell me, like, you've seen this happen. Like, we've now gone through over, like, what, maybe like 7 days of price action, and every single day, like, there's been something here with these new day opening gaps, and like the fact that I see it there, and then the body's here, like, yeah, it's not like 100%. Like, oh, every new day opening gap is gonna hold. It's not every PJ is gonna hold every single second. But here, right here, if we can align this with certain things and align ourselves on the right side of the market, this might be some sauce here. Like right here, we have a inverse for value gap with that constant encouragement. Look at that. Like, I don't know. We cannot ignore the fact that this has happened coincidentally pretty much every single day. And if it can just happen once within the session that we're within, like, that's enough. I think so, personally. Okay, so we have this low right here. That's pretty cool. So you have that old fair value gap with this new fair value gap. I would expect that to be institutional or full entry draw. We do leave it as breakaway. Oh, look at that projection right there. From a breakaway to a measuring gap. Reaccumulation zone. Silver bullet. Cheeky little market maker sale mortal. It's a cheeky little market maker sale mortal, ain't it? Ain't it? "15-minute changes to delivery." Right here. Once we have 15-minute SSD and what am I trying to say? At a higher time, higher diamond PDA sell model is now activated. And then again, look at this. Reaccumulated within the 15-minute. Reaccumulated within the 15-minute fair value gap. And then, like, I mean, all of this is our 15-minute fair value gaps. I want to draw a constant encroachment of all these. %75%. Constant encroachment. That premium end of that. Beautiful cheeky little walking like a sail motto. I don't care to screen capture that. Alright. We've gone through 1, 2, 3. We've gone through 6 days so far. Alright, sell side taken. Let's look at that daily order block mean threshold. It's still delayed by a day. Alright, so Monday. Oh, wait. Monday, low of the week. Tuesday, high of the week, possibly. Let's see what we do within this range. Fair value gap in, fair value gap out. We have FOMC members speaking. Then we pull back for gap. At that order block level. At that order block level. Note that. It's probably expansion here. Let's see how many points we can get. I'm expecting maybe possible measured move here. Let's see if we get that. -1 hit. Just found a new model here. Yeah, we probably have a sell model here to these lows. If we've hit higher time PDA. Yeah, we've hit hourly imbalance. I mean, yeah, likely to see this low here. But I would like to see that daily order block level get supported. Yeah, now I think we're probably running this high. Look at that daily order block level. Probably just accumulation the rest of the day. Maybe reprice to a new day opening gap or something like that. Okay. Yeah, this is that's some bullish signatures right there. Whoo! Just some randomness. Just some random levels we're respecting here. Some random levels. I bet you there's probably a new day opening gap down there too that we're going to deep dive into. Probably. Let's see. Wait, is it the Thursday? I guess we didn't look at this yesterday. We never looked at new day opening gaps. Previous session. Or no, yeah, I'm bugging. Probably right here is where we put low. Oh, not necessarily. Oh my gosh. Maybe. Yeah, this one right here. Yeah, ES just went to a perfect, perfect, perfect measly. Yeah, 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 yeah. Makes sense. Makes sense. Makes sense. Makes sense. Makes sense why ES is just gonna go there. Yeah, it's just completely random. You know. Yeah, 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 yeah. Buying and selling pressure. All right. Oh my gosh, the cat's out the bag now. The cat is out of the bag now. Cause I also remember there's that one live stream of ICT when he's like, "How far is price gonna go?" And he goes to new week opening gap. But ICT's never. He always says like, just use the last three. Just use the last three. Just use the last five max new day opening gaps. He hinted at it. I think. I think. I don't know. We got to do some more back testing with it. That's why we're gonna be here. But I mean, I don't like. It happened yesterday. It's conveniently happening today again. Like you tell me, bro. You tell me. You tell me. You tell me. I think it was really because of Disciplined Trader on Twitter, but also like, it's just like perfect timing. I was. Sorry, I was. Pair that with SMT. Yeah, pair that with SMT. Pair that with SMT, and then with also like maybe I've also been backtesting or I've also have been using this in my trading. If the data range, it's not gonna use it. I think I might have to be on the 15 minute time frame. That might be why. Yeah, pair that with IPTA data ranges. Come down. We're in a deep premium or deep discount here. We've taken 20-day low. We're likely gonna refer to these 40-day highs, previous 40 candle highs. Right here, that's some low hanging fruit, and then we have this big imbalance right here. We're also gonna refer to that likely. And look at it. That's where we draw into. mean, where do we close? Pretty much right here. Wow. Wow. That's crazy. That's crazy. I don't know, man. I don't know, man. 9:30. 9:30. Okay, you missed low a day. End of the world, right? No. 9:30. Judas swing right there. Boom. Big expansion. Big expansion right there. I'm gonna grab some food real quick. I'm gonna grab some food. We back. 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 Like, why did price come all the way down here? New day opening gap. We touched it on ES, but not NQ. Sorry, I was looking smacking there. Oh my gosh. Sorry if you're listening to this with headphones. 50% of that inverse. Where's that daily order block level I was looking at? Oh, it was after. Cheeky little 100 points. Well, so you got in here. Cheeky little 140. So you took off here. Cheeky little 70 points. Dang, what? 70 points? Really? That's a lot just for that move, in my opinion. Pretty volatile price action. Come back. We reclaim this order block level. Fair value gap in, fair value gap out. Institutional order flow entry drill. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, it's like not high of day, but that's pretty neat. Order block right there. This is a failed propulsion block right there. But then we're just referring back to this order block. So if you were to use this propulsion, your stop would have to be here. Refer back to that level. Then we have that 5 minute. constant encroach from that level right here off my mouse right here. Back in. Silver bullet happens at 25%, 75%. Do we have SMT here? $11.01. No. See, like, this is when Dow is actually correlated. Nowadays, Dow ain't, like, Dow just does whatever Dow wants. That confluence with the negative 1.5 there as well. There we go. Negative 1, 2. Like, stars are aligning for this standard deviation level. Look at that. Look at all those confluences there. Alright, we can go to the next day. It's a little bit laggy right now. Hourly imbalance right there. We've had hourly change of state delivery. Let's see what market open does. I'm expecting expansion, maybe. We have taken minor buy side there. Yeah, we should have expansion here. Okay, we're in bearish delivery state. Let's see. Failure swings. What was that? Was that an order block? Look at us reclaim that after the stop hunt. Oh, very nice. Yo, what's good, Logan? At 4 p.m. We didn't take we failed to take that high. Did we take it on yes? Yeah, so So we take that high. We took the high. Yes. What's this level I have? Okay, old highs too. We liquidate old highs as well. If we look at this, we're part of it. Part of a bigger market maker sell model here, or a market maker buy model, not sell model. Look what happens at 50%. Wow. We get a stop on it at 50% into this imbalance. That's nice. And then displace silver bullet happens right here with that mitigate. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, we deliver right to that mitigation. Notice how the mitigation block is the 75%. Let's look at NQ. What's NQ look like? NQ not as clean. Alright, let's see. Let's see where we put the high and low day. Wait, hold up. Did I mess up? Oh, I did. This should be the 24th. I don't even know if we went into the 10/21. Uh-oh, I messed up. Whatever. It's cool. It's cool. It should be the 24th. Alright. Yeah. See, if you go up a time frame, more new day opening gaps appear. Why is that appearing now? It wasn't appearing before. Look at that. Look at that. I don't know, man. High day. Where's it at? Where's the high day? Reclamation also within that one. Alright, let's speed it up on the 15-minute. Oh, we fall just short of it here on ES. Where we close though. We close. Oh my gosh. I fail to believe that ICT does not know. I fail to see that. I fail to believe that ICT does not know this. Yeah. Do you drink gas? What? Do I drink gas? I do not. I do not drink gas. Oh, wait. Oh. I messed up. Can I undo stuff in Discord? I can't. Wow. I was tweaking. I actually deleted stuff in my backtesting journal. Sorry, it's 10:24:22. The bottle? I don't know. I don't know what you're talking about. Like, I seriously don't. That's just beautiful. And we have SMT there at these highs. So we put an SMT in here, respecting new day opening gap. Therefore, we can look for maybe an imbalance to target. SMT. Beautiful. After taking buy side too, like there's more context to it. We sweep buy side. Is this in an imbalance too? Hourly? Yeah, in an hourly imbalance. So we're sweeping imbalance, and then we're sweeping buy side, also repricing to an imbalance inefficiency. Changing the state of delivery on the 15-minute. We'll come back to this later. Order block gets repriced to here with SMT within the new day opening gap. Not sell side liquidity. SMT while also taking buy side liquidity here with failure swings within the market here. And do we have an imbalance below market price? We have that mitigation block on ES. Mitigation that gets tapped into. That was pre-market though. Devious. Gorgeous. So we end up coming down, rebalancing that or repricing that inefficiency on ES, and then forming an SMT at the lows. Okay, so buy side liquidity is taken here. We form SMT. Originally market opens. We come down and we take this low. We take this low here. Take minor sell side here. Fair value gap in, fair value gap out. See, this is why sometimes, at least for me, I might have a rule just to wait for the 950 macro. Just to wait. Because, like, this right here will get you chopped up if you even try to trade it. And then just wait. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait. Market open. I have some advice for you. It's that you should stick to a strategy because it seems like you have kept switching strategies for the last year or so. I would agree. I would agree with that. But also, I've just been getting better at reading price. Like that's what I'm focused on. It's getting better at reading price action. Cause like I'm not worried about having a strategy right now within my first like full like year and a half or so. I'm not worried about sticking to one strategy right now because like I don't even know what model will suit me and like that's just me personally. I want to wait because before like I try to stick to like a strategy quote unquote because like I don't know if I'm making sense, but I'd rather get better at reading price action than trying to stick to a strategy right now to try and make money right now. Because that's not my main focus. My main focus is getting better at reading price. So like I'm allowing myself time, and then we'll be able to get a strategy. So like yeah, I'll definitely have a model at some point, but until I've gone over backtesting a lot and until I've seen it happen over and over again, then I'll have a model because I think the problem with ICT concepts is that the fact that like there's not a one way street and there's multiple models that ICT works within. Like he doesn't just do he's not a one trick pony like he says. So therefore it gets a little bit tricky, you know. Calls for culture that wick. But basically the reason why I haven't like tried to stick to a model is because I don't really care about trying to find a model right now or trying to find a strategy because I'd rather get better at reading price than trying to trade right now. 950 macro, repricing higher. We have consequent culture of this wick here. Low key that macro opening price. We manipulate above it. Some power 3 within that. Then we end up taking sell side. Falling short of that or coming into that new day opening gap. Wow. Oh, don't worry. Just 100 points there. Fair value gap in, fair value gap out. We don't come back into that. This is the balanced price range. Look at this. It's probably like a 5-minute order block there. Yeah. I would have liked to see this order block, personally, honestly. I would have liked to see this. Right here with that fair value gap. I would have loved to see like that would have been perfect. But market doesn't reprice there. We have a 5-minute fair value gap here. And keep in mind we have SMT at the lows. Institutional ortho entry drill. Notice as well we have SMT here. I just said that. Change of state delivery. We end up using these. What's the 15-minute? That's a 15-minute order block right there. Where do we trade into that order block at? What time? 10:50. Wow, it's very nice. Notice this inverse here. Also forms at 75% or 25% of that. Nice. Then we just end up repricing higher the rest of the day to buy side. Oh, I think I already took that. The hourly on it, yes. We just completed a hourly market maker buy model. Loki, I'm gonna make some slides for a case study. I'm gonna build some case studies here. What buy model should I go over? I think I'm gonna go. I wanna find okay, next nice little Judah swing, I'm gonna make a slideshow on that. I wanna go over a Judah swing. That's what I want. I wanna go over three nice Judah swings that we have in the market that has a nice 950 macro. I mean I guess today was perfect. 930. Judah swing. Yeah, we'll do today. Okay. We locking in now. Let's delete this. It's a nice fractal price here. Buy side liquidity. What's good, brother? I just want to pull up ES. Oh, look at that. I never did that on ES. So we actually mitigated these highs here. Keep grinding. Hey, appreciate it. We'll do. So NQ is the stronger. Like low-key, I'm just gonna do this on ES. ES is the better fractal to use here. Whoa, what? Whoa. Reclaimed order block. Whoa. I swear, sometimes I just be having levels on my chart that just get respected perfectly. Oh, well, let me redo this on ES. Here, I can just replace it. $75% of that implied dealing range too. We're repricing right back to that order block. But this isn't a valid PDRA to excel off of. No, this is. Low a day. Low of session. Low of New York. So since we have the SMT, we'd rather trade NQ. Oh, that's a one standard deviation measure move. Wait, that might be less. What about this? Hey, appreciate the sub, Stefan. Appreciate it. Let's look at the bodies here. Nope. So we have a 1 hour for value up there. Also drawing an order block. Also, we know new day opening gaps. New day opening gaps. And we have SMT. Where do we return to? Fair value within the market. Fair valuation. It's only this order block. We don't return to this order block. So we actually do end up pushing lower at market open. Causing fear. That's the point of the Judas. Cause fear. Look at this wick. Cause Crochet gets respected there. Yo, it's good, Joseph. It's good, Joseph. Is there a way for us to backtest together? I don't really know. Like, what do you mean? I think backtest is more personal, you know? I feel like backtest is I think backtesting is pretty. I got some different confluences to show you. Hey, bro, I'm good. Honestly, I'm like, all due respect, I'm good. The only thing is because like, I don't know. I think it's best to stick with what you got. Hey, thanks for the sub. I swear, that same guy has subbed to me before. I swear. Order block right there on the 2 minute. Got the macro. Expands towards, starts the spooling lower. Starts it like it's supposed to. Oh, I hate when I actually do copy link. We return to an order block. And here is delivery on the 15-minute. And look at what we end up respecting. 15-minute order block right there. Beautifully. What's your strategy? I don't have a strategy right now. I haven't been trading. I've just been backtesting and trying to read price. So that sounded aggressive. My bad. I didn't mean to sound aggressive. Yeah, I've just been backtesting. Um, yeah, I think it's worth it. I mean, I think if you trade like realistically, if you trade $35 a month for FX replay, shouldn't be an issue. You know, it's like it's literally it's $35 a month. I think if you're serious about trading, like you should be an advocate for that type of stuff. The only thing that I would say most like Discords and groups out there, I feel like they're not worth it. You don't need things like that. Are you backtesting the whole day? So for me, when I backtest, I normally am looking for the AM session. That's normally what I'm looking for. But then I look out through the rest of the day for just price action as a whole. But for me as a trader, I'm normally trying to trade the AM session. 950 macro, 930 Judah swing, 1050 macro. That's it. And then maybe 1150 macro. What's good, Jay? How you doing, bro? How you doing? I do look at PM session, but I don't like PM session as much. It's not as volatile, and it's more likely just be a continuation to the existing draw. Have you seen Hydra macro time? I have seen Hydra a little bit. I know he uses macros, but I mean they're all ICT's macros, you know. I'm good. How are you? I'm chilling, just chilling. Who else have you been learning from recently? Pretty much just ICT, just ICT. And if you look up who Ali Khan is on YouTube, I just recently watched his 2024. I'm gonna go back over it, his 2024. I would recommend watching it. But yeah, mainly ICT, mainly just ICT. And I went through all of core content, and then I was just like, bro, we need to be backtesting more. So then I just decided to start backtesting every day now on stream. So yeah, I'll be live every single day backtesting. I don't know if there's like a standard I'm gonna go for how long we'll do these. At least the minimum is gonna be 30-minute sessions, but y'all know me. I like to. I could be on here for hours. The stealing range. Silver bullet happens at this 25%. At 50%, stop hunt. 75% lower risk entry. On futures, cutting the time to 9:30. What do you mean, like starting at 9:30? I would agree. I'm in T Trade's Discord. I would recommend T Trade's Discord. I've said this before. You know what's crazy? T Trade's actually like T Trades knows who I am. T Trades has hit me up before. He was in my old Discord. Like he joined my old Discord. So shout out T Trades. Here we have a buy program. All right, I finished that. I'll have a video on this. Have you still got your funded account active? No, I haven't. I don't care about that. The only reason why I had a funded account is because my funded futures gave me one for free. They gave me one for completely free, so I'm like, okay, I'll take a free funded. I didn't really I don't know, cause y'all know me by now, like I I just think that like if you don't know what you're doing, or like if you if you have bad technicals, if you can't read price action very well, you're likely gonna have your psychology is gonna be a mess. It's just simple. And I would say I have decent psychology, but my technicals aren't where I would want them to be. When I say technicals, I mean technical analysis, like how well I read price action. So I just think it's I don't know. I just know that people like people got stuff to say about anything. Like if I'm just going to not take any trades, if I'm just gonna read price action, like, there's only gonna be people just like that's why I don't love social media because you always got people comparing. Oh, this guy's doing it differently. Why is he not doing it the way I do it? Oh, he has to do it a certain way. Oh, that's stupid. Why are you doing that? Why are you trading like that? Why are you using that strategy? What are you doing, bro? Use this. Use what I do. Use what I do. Use what I do. What I do is better. Like that's just how it is. Like people just try to influence others in their trading, and like I think that's just immature. Like I I don't ever want to like influence you guys to trade how I trade because how I trade isn't gonna be how you trade because we have different conviction. What I will influence you is putting in work and backtest. That's what I will influence. Which is why I'm pretty much starting the series because I wanna be a good influence. I'm not just like some other guy like just trying to sell a course or something. Like, because one, like I'm not profitable yet, so why would that make sense? And two, like I ain't like that. All right, so we're just taking buy side on ES. Let's see what price does here. Don't worry, man. Everyone's gonna hate. I want part time to work to put 100% 10 into trading, and everyone still thinks I'm crazy. Hey, bro. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. That's all I can say. Good luck, and just stay consistent with it. And also, don't get mad if you don't get results right away. That's mainly why I'm also on demo, because I want to really give myself discipline, because the worst thing I would want to do is go into a live account, start doing good, like go and have a funded account, like get a first payout, and thinking I'm the shit because I'm posting it on Instagram. Oh, guys, look at me! I just got my first funded payout because we both know damn well that like that's just gonna be a euphoric moment for me, which is why I don't know. I think I'll obviously still post. Maybe I'll probably still post like my whole journey, but also I don't want to. I don't want to as well because I know when get my first funded payout, or if I get some form of short term success, my head's gonna be huge. My head's gonna be huge. Well, not huge, but like I'm like gonna be like, oh my gosh, I'm doing this now, and I'm gonna get comfortable, and then that's gonna lead to me not improving, and that's gonna lead to me not. That's what I'm trying to avoid because I guarantee you that's happened to a lot of these traders that post on social media. Which is also why like when I trade, like I really just want to have case studies on what price does, rather than like, oh, this is the best strategy, this is the best thing to do. No, man, I rather just like, oh, this is what happened. Make your own conclusions. Comparison is the thief of joy. That's the whole reason I delete social media. Yeah, I would recommend deleting social media. The only reason I have Instagram is to post. All right, we end up having 930 expansion here. I think this could be a good buy model on NQ. Looking for buy side. Is this 75% of this doing range? Almost. I would like to wait. Do we have SMT here? Does YM take these lows? Yeah, YM has to. YM with the SMT. So you have the SMT with YM out the slows. I'm like like I've been saying, if you've been watching the stream, I miss the days or it looks nice to like be able to draw an SMT with YM and be confident with it. Alright, buy side taken. Wow. I mean, it's just nice to see the fact that like the markets actually book off of liquidity. Like that is just that's all this is just a this just confirms that the markets move off of liquidity and imbalances because like why else would we just get a random candle like this, a random 100-point move right here? Because we just took major buy side liquidity pool. Hey, go for it. I've been locking recently. Hey, I want to use these. Yo, what's good, Reno? How you doing, brother? Let's see where we put in lows and high days. If you guys don't know, these are new day opening gaps and new week opening gaps. I've been backtesting this and it's been life changing, quite literally. Like, where do we start expanding from? And then look at where market opens. Market opens within a new day opening gap, so therefore we're not gonna manipulate. Reaccumulate within one. Up to buy side. That's your PM session silver bullet. And then look at where we close, or look at where we